hide away. Got some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Don't need some privacy. Can I take you over to my hideaway? Got some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Only need some privacy. Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway?
Chill, it's Fatal to you, featuring BMW. We hot up in here. I'm telling you, man, you gonna need the North Pole to cool us off, man. For sure. Yours, let's go.
Can I take you over to my hideaway? Got some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Don't need some privacy. Can I take you over to my hideaway? Got some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Only need some privacy. Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just said voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo mea o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa suma fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo fo voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pamata ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A mai se le te wherua i mana o telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo mea le cash o na inu e leo tamā o le ainga.
Ua whapea tu lava le talo fo voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaptai. Ma lua lava le tampai.
Tai talo pamata. Teki talo pamata.
Talawhalapa everyone, malore soifua mau, malelangi mama, and a warm Pacific greetings to you all. You know, oe comments made from me, what's up with Claudia? You know, we were just talking and saore lea kala Claudia. you've been picking the wrong fruit. So if I feel like it, RSC Rikalela Lori Hawke's Bay, and you're asking about Claudia, well, let me tell you.
Wrong city even.
Wrong city, wrong fruit. This apple right here belongs to Blue TV, but
Is it a forbidden apple?
the forbidden fruit. Guys, it's a beautiful Tuesday here and it's really, really hot. We've decided that we were going to stay indoors today and talk a little bit about Christmas because, oh my gosh, ki ngā whaikalinga le whaalongo le COVID update. I think it's time that we talk a little bit about get into the Christmas spirit.
Now, here's a question for you guys. Is it better to give a Christmas present or is it better to receive a Christmas present? So, yeah.
Yeah, and I think some of the RSC workers yesterday were a little bit impressed with the talanoa lenga whaianga ngafi. So let us know what your feedback is from yesterday's show. You know, it's nice to open up and talk a little bit about it.
I'm just laughing because Lorenzo, thank you so much for your concern. He has commented saying, oh, you can move your neck. I can move it a little bit more today. So thank you, Lorenzo.
So it must have been from all of the...
I don't know.
Don't know why.
I don't know.
But once again, whawhetai lover to everyone who have tuned in to Pea and Claudia BluTable Podcast for your Tuesday afternoon.
Yeah.
We're talking a little bit about Christmas. Aore popole ngā mea le COVID. And supporting local.
But yes,
right?
Lorenzo, you're watching. Is it better to receive a Christmas gift or is it better to give a Christmas gift? Now, Mal said both. But what if you only have to choose one?
Let us know, what are your thoughts with regards to Christmas? We have posted up recently and we've had a few comments with regards a wā ia le adults. What do you give an adult? Because they cost a little bit of money, but I'm not up to you how you interpret adult.
I interpreted it the wrong way. But, you know, in regards to money, I came across this quote. It said, remember this Christmas, if someone buys a $25 gift for you, and they make minimum wage, which is $20, they pay 2 to 3 hours of their life to get you that gift. So guys, be humble. Gifts don't have to cost much to have a value.
Yeah, that's right. And you know what? I do want to quickly say a massive whawhetai lover I le kako sponsors, to all of our sponsors actually. They have played a massive role. A wā ia le pokalame. So I wanted to say a massive thank you to Whalute, the beautiful Whalute Pacific 40. Ia le o RSC workers le makamaka ngi. Claudia loves to send Pacific 40 vouchers, tala for vouchers back to Samoa. It's easy. All you need to do is head over to Pacific 40, www.pacific40.com, and all you need to do is spend just, well, what is it? You can get a 30 tala, a 50 tala, 100 tala, and if I pay you a little bit generous, you can also gift a little bit more. Don't forget that there are so much more on the website that you can check out, and it also supports local remote businesses.
Yep.
So a whapea leke o I muri whangoa, aua le popole e mawhaianga whai le whaakau I o send a le talo for voucher. A whapea leke o I Alepaka, e iei fwoi whale in Alepaka in Samoa. So head over to Pacific 40 and purchase something for your ainga in Samoa. Do it now while you can. Don't miss out the Christmas rush. But we also wanted to say a massive thank you to Maoto o Samoa. If I feel like is I o Samoa and you are looking at travelling around Samoa, I know it's really busy at the moment. Maoto o Samoa, gas up with Maoto o Samoa service station. They're awesome.
Yes.
And again, if you are in New Zealand and you're wondering, I've got an awesome business idea. If you do, then head over to the Generator, because the Generator will be able to help you with all of your business ideas. Doesn't matter if it's just a card, Christmas card or birthday card. Don't awake loko maulala on your ideas. All ideas are awesome. So head over to the Generator and they'll be able to help you, guys.
And talking about gifts and all that, we do have a few comments coming through.
Yeah.
So Mel initially said both, and then changed their answer to, I want to gift my time this Christmas. And that is really, really nice.
I love that, Mel.
That's really, really nice. Lorenzo said, the best gift for Christmas is having an intimate relationship with our Lord and bless others with any forms of... Now, this is perfect. This is an excellent answer. I'm just laughing because I'm just imagining Lorenzo saying this and I can't keep a straight face. But that is very true. And he said, just like our Lord Jesus, who gave his life for our sinners.
We've just had a message from Mel and also from Tassi. Tassi, you can find the generator on Facebook. So head over on their Facebook page. It's the generator and so it's a Moli idea. So head over. Don't be afraid to reach out for help. They are there to help direct you to, help with ideas, any idea, whatever it is, head over there now. Also, the Pacific Business Hub, Laura is also here and available to help. But we have also a new announcement. You're wondering, well, what's the announcement? Guys, we have a new sponsor today. So a massive shout out to Florist New, who's just joined our team to sponsor Blue TV. And they are all of the females in Samoa. Koko farming, so almost koko farming. Le wako maya RSC workers whengaluenga I Hawke's Bay a kia ia kako girls I oi Samoa whengaluenga I Samoa. So koko organic farming, hit up Florist if you want to purchase a calendar for next year. The calendars are also now available at Bluwave. And Afape, you watched our program yesterday, you will also know that we've got a new building. So yes. Check it out. So these are just a few photos of our wonderful mums in Samoa who run a koko organic farming. But the ladies are doing the koko organic farming. So if you want to support local, purchase the calendar through Bluwave or head over to our Facebook page and we'll share the details on there.
Definitely. And Mel has said that Mel has got $1 million idea. And I wonder what that is. But maybe you don't want to share it in the comments because someone else might take your $1 million idea. So get in touch with the generator. And thank you, Lorenzo, for tagging the website and the telephone number onto the comments.
Lorenzo's so helpful, eh?
Lorenzo's cheeky.
He's so helpful. Don't forget to tune into the Brother Lorenzo show, talking all about the health side of things. Yep. And
then this question that I did post at the start of the show, it was, is it better to gift a present for Christmas or to receive? And now we're getting a lot of answers. We have an answer from Eri who says, from a mental health approach, receiving does wonders for those who've gone through the trenches. Hold on, did I... Wait a minute. For those that have gone through the trenches in this lockdown, especially those away from family and loved ones who may feel forgotten so far from them. So that is really lovely advice from Eri. So thank you.
And also a massive shout out to Lessa who's just tuned in as well. Lessa, we appreciate all of the love and support, and also to Flora who continues to show that love. But before we get into it, we did get a few gifts from Samoa Natural Products.
Lorenzo, we'll get into that. Lorenzo said, hey guys, who wants to gift their wife away forever? Oh, Lorenzo, I think you're going to get in trouble today.
Lorenzo, you better watch it. So Lorenzo wants to gift. See, can you see our guests outside? They're gifting their time too. But Lorenzo, do you want to gift your wife? Do you want to?
If she's up for grabs, I'll take her because she is a stunning lady.
Yeah.
Oh, Lorenzo said delete. It's too late. It's online. Everyone's seen it. We've seen it.
If you are looking for a beautiful new wife, Lorenzo has a gorgeous wife that he's giving away for Christmas.
He's going to have a bad day today. I can tell you that much.
Lorenzo, but gosh, guys, I just said to everyone, get a new upgrade or temporary. Lorenzo's temporary. But guys, we did get a gift from Samoa Natural Products. It's an organic product. So we've just given it a go and
Ooh,
it
can I open it?
smells so good. So thank you, Whawhitai Lover, to Samoan Natural Products for sending it through. We love it. We love our gifts. Don't forget to support your local. You can find them on Facebook and also on Instagram. So the website is www.samoanatural.com. And these are all our products from Samoa that they've used. So
Oh my god, it smells so good.
if you're my boyfriend, buy me
Which one?
Which one?
So it says here, vanilla body butter,
Ooh.
ethical hand spun, natural skincare
this is
with
so
no
good.
nasties, made locally with fresh ingredients from Polynesia. And I'm telling you, it smells like cake.
So Claudia has the gulimi, the cream, and I've got the scrub. So it is koko, all natural, and you scrub your skin. So I already told, watch out, next year I'm going to look younger.
You know, I'm just going to say it.
And it looks
I
good.
reckon this would be a very nice gift if you're a husband or a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Looking to gift your significant other a lovely gift. I will say this is really nice because she smells nice.
Yeah, she smells
She's
nice, she
gonna
looks nice, and
Feel nice.
yeah, feel nice.
Slippery slide.
And you know what? While we're on that topic, don't you husbands out there and boyfriends, don't be cheeky and get us women a vacuum, okay? Get yourself a vacuum and get us something nice, something like this. And this is actually supporting local, and it's good. It's organic. So never mind your Hoover vacuum. Keep your Hoover vacuum to yourself. But also, here's another gift idea. And again, I'm going to show it. I love my bag. It is from Claudia, supporting local Bangikeke. They have an awesome range of bags, Samoan-made products, Koko Samoa, Masi Senga. Oh my gosh, the works.
And, you know, just based on this experience, I'm going to tell you guys, in my personal opinion, it's a lot better to gift than receive.
Because I actually cried.
Yeah, she did.
Look.
She did. And I heard it so well from her as well. I don't think she's expecting
No, I didn't. But I didn't expect it. We were talking a little bit earlier about how you don't expect gifts, and this was the perfect present. I have to admit, yeah. So if you are wanting to know what's the go and what's not the go, stay tuned. We are going to go into a quick break, but right after the break, we're going to be talking about what does Christmas mean to you? What are some of the Christmas ideas? And if you are thinking, oh my gosh, that you want that special somebody, maybe we've got some advice for you on how you can get her for Christmas. Wrap her up for Christmas. Stay tuned,
Or
guys.
wrap yourself up for her. We're going to go break. Let's go to a break.
We'll see you guys soon.
Tauranga voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia po i sawe mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo fo voucher. Le wana fa kau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A me se le te whai ma le telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash o na inu e le tamao le ainga.
Fa te tu lava le talo fo voucher mo le foi au nang fo fa tai. Ma lo la le tampai.
Pa tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
tau tua ma le au nanga le mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo ila ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow mau lau tapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon ma tu te siapa lah yang foi mau lau tapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tapela lau ta vale pe out. Lua tapela lau telefoni tai me utu ina lau ta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I whaasaina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Mota Samoa, ore mota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Talofa and welcome back and warm Pacific greetings. It is a Tuesday here on your BluTable Talanoa podcast, and you know we thought that we've had enough regarding COVID this, COVID that. So we are going to talk about the next big thing that's going to happen. That is Christmas. So we did ask the question earlier on: is it better to gift a present for Christmas or receive a present for Christmas? So for those of you that have just tuned in, leave us your comments. Leave us your answers in the comments below. But Mel did ask just before the break, Claudia, what would you gift? Gift who? Because men and females, you got to give them a very different thing. And then it's also based on personality. So maybe elaborate on that question a little bit, and maybe I could give you your give you my advice on what you would or what I would give. I can't speak English right now. Bear, please take it away.
Yeah, once again, you know, we are a little bit tired of COVID, this, COVID, that. So let us know. We want to, for the next couple of weeks, again, support local, and let's get into the Christmas spirit. Let's talk a little bit about the challenges that we are currently going to face with regards to gifting. What is the most cost-effective right now to, you know, celebrate Christmas? Look, I'm going to go and say, spend time with your family.
Yeah.
And I think Mel, was it Mel or Eri that commented, or was it
Mel?
So Mel, you're right on that. It's time. Giving time this year during Christmas. You're probably thinking, what? We've already given everyone time for 3 months of lockdown. No, I'm talking about taking them somewhere.
Well, it's different though, because in lockdown we had to spend time with them, but then during Christmas it's your choice whether you spend time with them or not. So
I think I might go to Long Bay for Christmas and spend time with myself.
And
just myself. Just myself. So if you are heading over to Long Bay this Christmas, throw me a text and I'll meet you there. But otherwise, don't forget to also take care of yourself this Christmas, you know, in the rush of it. And you know what? We always do this every year. We know Christmas is on the 25th of December. It doesn't change at all. Every year, it's the same time. So just take it easy.
And yeah, we always leave things to last minute. I do that. But here's another question for you guys. Santa Claus, for those of you that have kids, or, you know, when we were kids once upon a time, did you believe in Santa Claus, and do you tell your kids that Santa Claus is real? What about you, Pea? Because you've got kids.
Yeah. I've got 3 beautiful girls, Trinity, Liliele, and Talia. And no, I've never really, we actually never really talked about it.
No.
The girls do actively attend church with mum and dad, and occasionally with me. but we have always gone to Tamaki PIPC. So shout out to church, to Tamā and Tina also. But no, I just don't think I've ever had to cross that conversation with the girls. Probably just Lily. Lily is my second child, and she's quite...
That's really interesting because growing up, I never believed. I never believed in Santa Claus either.
Do you believe in Santa Claus? If
Do you
people
still
believed
believe?
in Santa Claus, then let us know. But is it just do we mention Santa Claus because, you know, this year we could say I believe in Santa, and because of COVID and the lockdown restrictions, he cannot travel into New Zealand, so no presents.
So here's a little origin story of the
Santa.
legend of Saint Nicholas, of the real Santa Claus. So the legend of Santa Claus can be traced back hundreds of years to a monk named Saint Nicholas. It is believed that Nicholas was born sometime around 280 AD in Patara, near Myra in modern-day Turkey. And much admired for his kindness, Saint Nicholas became the subject of many legends. Now, over the course of many years, Nicholas' popularity spread, and he became known as a protector of children and sailors. So he was a real person, but I wonder if it's maybe Coca-Cola that commercialized Santa Claus.
Actually, yeah, I'm just thinking about that, yeah. Because this is probably the time of year that everyone starts, you know, building that hype and, you know, starts putting Santa Claus on everything. Well, don't forget to put Jesus Christ on there because he was the reason for the season.
Definitely. Now, based on that, when you think of Christmas, what do you think about? What comes to your mind first? What comes to you guys' minds first when you think of Christmas?
You know what?
We've got someone that's walked past us just said this.
Money. Give us some money. I think she's saying, where's Sugar Daddy? So Sugar Santa.
The joy of having a show in studio. But what does Christmas mean to you? Is it about the gifts? Is it about Santa? Is it about Jesus? Is it about money? What is it to you?
You know, for me, it's definitely has to be the birth of Christ. Yes, I know I'm not exactly the perfect, you know.
Well, no one is, right?
Angel, perfect sinner, more like it. But let us know what your thoughts are because, you know, I know that everyone's got different, you know, thoughts on Christmas. But for me, it's definitely Jesus Christ and family. Yeah, family.
Yeah.
Has to be that. What about yourself?
Food. So when I think of Christmas, I think of church. So I think of Jesus, church, and then I think of just a very long day on the 24th, cooking and cleaning for a family feast before we go to midnight mass and open up the gifts. So we go to 9 p.m. mass, then have the feast. Then we open up presents at midnight. Now that is a South American tradition where we open up presents at midnight, and then on the 25th we just spend a day at the beach, relaxing. But we're not so big on presents, and I think that's why it's so heavily focused for us, at least, on going to church and the birth of Jesus Christ.
You know, it's going to look different this year. It is going to look different. I know that we, a lot of our families will be celebrating Christmas via Zoom or some kind of online format, but you know.
Tussie did say his answer is food.
Thanks for that, Tussie. What else?
Just food.
But, you know, Tussie, while you've tuned in, let us know what are your thoughts about Christmas this year? You know, do you have any ideas for Christmas? You know, a lot of us are going to be a little bit stretched this year with regards to money. It's not all about the presents. It is about your presence, right? How you like that?
She is, oh my God, you're just on fire this week with all your one-liners. Don't let your temporary situation become your permanent situation.
Because COVID is currently a temporary situation that we're going through. We will go through this together and we'll get through it. Yeah. But don't let COVID ruin your Christmas. Let's get into the Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think tradition for us, we don't actually have a tradition because... Well, we do. Every year we spend it with our Waitolo Ainga family, every single year. And we used to do dancing. Each family would do a siva or a song. And the song that my dad always forces us to sing is Oh Happy Day.
I love that song though.
But he forces us to sing on Christmas Day.
I love that. Can you do the high part?
Oh happy day, oh happy day. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. But let us know what your thoughts are. And I think maybe this year we can get your children to do a little item. Do a little item. You know, because it's sad. It's really sad that we're locked up like this. And we can't travel over to Samoa.
Exactly.
So I know that Samoa Tourism Authority will be posting up a lot of content for Christmas. So head over on their page and experience the Samoa Christmas.
Well, and that just reminds me as well, in regards to White Sunday, you know, lockdown didn't stop that. And all the kids did their little performances during Zoom and everything. So yeah, why not? Get your kids to do a performance for you.
And you know what I miss? Christmas carols.
Yes.
Wait, I think I need to double check. Is it, how do you say it, please, producer Rams? Is it Manguau? Manguau. Is it Manguau? When you visit the different houses and you sing the Christmas carols, Samoan and English, I miss that.
Yeah.
I miss that. If you are doing that, let us know, because we would love to get you to come through to our new office down the road to sing us a few Christmas carols. I'd love to film that actually. It's something I miss.
That would be really cool. Yeah, I miss it. I definitely miss it. Now, here's another question for you, Ben. Okay. Because food is so important, what is your most favorite Christmas dish?
Christmas dish. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I was gonna say something.
Oh, I get it. I get it.
Delete.
I think you just made it very obvious.
Delete.
I think that's a lot of people's favorite Christmas dish. If you are a kid under the age of 16, 18, don't worry about it.
Get it out of your mind, Bear. Food. It would have to be the Christmas ham.
Oh yes.
Christmas ham.
Yes.
I think one year I burnt our ham. Remember, I don't know how to cook. So
I enjoy the honesty.
Honest, it was all black and.
Did you still eat it?
Yeah, of course. That was the only ham.
Black is better.
Black is good.
And my favorite Christmas dish is I think I would have to say the ham as well.
That's not a black.
Yes, Mal to the rescue. Mal commented saying, address please, I'll come in my Santa suit to sing a carol. That is 9 Sharkey Street or Road in Manukau. So
now you better come. We're waiting for you.
along.
Can you please come with your guitar? Come with your drum kit. Have a mini concert out here, and we'll perform right next to you.
Now, Tassi said that one family that brings pakumoas. I'm not sure
I
what
said
that is.
Tassi.
Is that chicken?
Yeah, it's bakwamoas. Well, I don't eat bak.
What's wrong with chicken?
No, it's
What, is this something naughty?
no, it's not.
I always think it's something naughty.
Tassi, o la me leanga ngā mele bakwamoa. Moa bakwamoa e ke mi foi ngā, you know. Some people actually love bakwamoa.
I still don't know what that is.
It's like chicken back.
Is what?
Tassi, stop.
Is it a chicken on its back?
Chicken on its. We need to stop laughing.
Well, Flora said yes. I said that right. So thank you so much, Flora.
Yeah, bakwamoa. Tassi, thank you. What? Tassi,
I still don't know.
You're gonna get
Flora,
us into trouble.
Can you tell me what it is? Because I feel like something like. I feel like. Wait, hold on.
Yes, it is. It's,
Has less meat than the normal thighs.
yeah, and you know what? And it's probably the most cost effective item as well to have on the menu. It's okay.
Well, the bones are quite nice sometimes. I would say chewing on the bone.
Chewing. Lucky you said chewing. I was going to say something else.
Is this why you need a fan? I think I need my own fan now too.
Guys, look, you know, we love the ideas that are coming through, but food has got to be, yeah. I think my auntie Leah, she makes
turkey
the
tails.
best. Oh, Yeah.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Oh, who said that?
Mel as well.
Mel, you're on a roll today.
Mel, do you have an extra 2 seats at your Christmas
Sounds
dinner?
like you're going to have a really exciting Christmas, Mel. But, I also want to shout out to Mel, who does, an awesome job supporting us every time we post, every time we share. Any content we share, Mel is there 100% supporting. He's also supporting the brother Lorenzo. And interesting fact, I've never met Mel, but he's an awesome brother who's supporting 100. But he actually knows Martin, the owner of Bluwave as well.
Well, hello to you too, Mel.
Yeah, it was just from a post where he reached out and said he knows Martin. Pretty cool.
That's really cool. And Flora is saying, can we all just have a barbecue cocktail Christmas day? And I'm all for that.
I'm all for that, actually.
All for that.
But here's another idea. I know that
mixologist queen right here.
Mixologist, join us at my house, Finlayson Ave. Finlayson.
I thought you were going to give the number as well.
I was close. Don't do it, Bear. So if you're wondering what other...
Sorry. Mel said right behind you, and I was going to turn around right behind me.
Are you here?
No, but yes, he said right behind you, girls, Lorenzo and his also Martin. But yes, he's not literally right behind me. I was going to check. He's not.
But guys, here's another thing. I know we're all in a rush to get everything kind of like packed into this one day. Don't stress. Don't stress about it. I know that I'm like infamous for doing this, but did you know that you can also spend Christmas a few days before Christmas?
Yeah.
Just do it.
Can.
Yeah.
You can. And, I just got to thank our brother Lorenzo, who is always looking out for us, and he's always looking out for me, and he says, can we find a fine RSE to give to our sis Claudia? Can we?
Are you, but you have to be single.
I don't like apples. I like oranges. I like avocados.
There you go. There's a hint for you. She likes avocado and oranges. So get the all-natural orange or avocado products over to Auckland. Our address again is number 9 Shaki Street here in Mangau. So you know where to send it. And attention it to Claudia, and don't forget to attention something to Bear as well. But you know what?
So Mel said, what is an RSE? So to my understanding, an RSE is a seasonal
worker.
Yeah,
that
picks
that's
fruits.
come overseas from Samoa.
Is that right, Lorenzo?
And Lorenzo's going to get us into trouble.
He really is.
He is.
Just wait till he gets into the office. I'd say recognized seasonal employer. There we go. Our producer coming through with the goods.
No, we love it. But you know what, guys? If you do have a local business that you would love for us to support, we will be heading back over the next 4 weeks. We're going to try and push as many local businesses through and head over on site. So send us a DM via Bea or Claudia or Blue TV, or just send it to Claudia and she'll get it sorted. Tomorrow we do have a special guest as well. So send through the request, send through your Christmas ideas and your top Christmas playlist.
Yeah. Oh, and I like how Mel said that he knows quite a few of RSE, so recognized seasonal employees out in Waiuku.
Oh, there's some in Waiuku.
We might need to go for a little drive to Waiuku.
If you are a seasonal worker in Waiuku, then hit us up, because
Do you know any local businesses that we can visit in Waiuku as a excuse to drive down to Waiuku?
To drive. Seasonal worker. Onions. I did say it wrong earlier on, I think.
What?
Seasonal piki apu, I said. But it's kau apu.
Okay, we got the thumbs up.
But you know what? I think that's it for us today. Don't forget to support your local. We do have an awesome, the owner of Samoa Natural Products tomorrow on the show. Don't forget Apapea mga mia se awala e sende singa lofa lai kiki pekele. You can do that with Pacific 40 Talofa voucher. The beautiful Whalute will get it sorted. Or you can support your kako. Support your own, in Samoa, the organic cocoa farming. These are only $25, I think, or $20. You can pick up this from Bluwave or check out the website as well. Please, don't forget to support your local. And here's something exciting. The team here will be traveling overseas next year. So, don't forget, when you're supporting local, you're supporting their local dreams. And they're going around the world, these beautiful women, with their organic koko products in Samoa. So support your local because they're making a name for us as well.
Mel is saying that he will buy one. Now, we'll find out how you can purchase one. Do you know how to purchase?
Yes, you can actually come through to our Bluwave office here.
When you bring your instrument to play in your Santa suit.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mel. But this is, so every single purchase, it does go towards supporting our women in Samoa who are doing the organic koko farming. And their kokos are actually going, because it's on demand, but they need a lot of funding to help them as well. So moving forward, they are trying to supply throughout, to these big countries. And who wants the organic goods. It's definitely.
Do you know what's really cool, guys? Mel is actually just on Cavendish right now, so we might just actually get to meet Mel. But on that note, I just want to say a huge thank you to you, Mel, Tussie, Flora, and Lessa for commenting, because it's always so much more fun, and Lorenzo as well. It's so much more fun actually doing a live when we have so much engagement. I can't speak, I'm just so overwhelmed. But we have so much engagement, so thank you so much for engaging.
Yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to support local. Tomorrow we've got 2 special guests on, so tune in, and don't forget.
She forgotten. Don't forget what she has forgotten, guys.
Don't forget what I've forgotten. Guys, that's it.
Thank you so much. Yes, support local, guys. And we have, I thought we were going to get pranked again, but no. But have a lovely Tuesday afternoon, and we will see you again tomorrow.
God bless everyone. So far, so forth.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa. Le kia po I sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le tala fo voucher. Le wana whaatau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo voucher ua maua le apasusi o sewa fine. So se paro loa whaingo fie. Ai mai se le te wherua I malau telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash o na inu e lor tamao le ainga.
Whaatea tu lava le tala fo voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaatai. Ma lua lava le tampai.
Tai talo voucher. Teki talo voucher.
Tau tua ma le au nanga remote tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo I lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posibilidad, mua Tapela o ta'avale pe autu. Lua, tapela o telefoni i tai me utu ina ilo ta'avale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua i whasaina, lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Mota Samoa, ore mota mo Samoa. Mado te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Aftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.